The sum of consecutive odd numbers starting from 1 forms a series. Let Sn denote the sum of the first n terms. List the first 5 terms of the sequence Sn and suggest a rule for it. As you can see, when we're setting n equals to 1, we're just having one term only, and the number is 1. S2 means we're going to add 1 plus 3 because the second odd number is a 3. When we're talking about n is 3, there's going to be 3 terms, and the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 9, etc. And when you're talking about S, capital S, we're talking about the sum of these numbers. The sum is going to be 4 for 1 plus 3. The sum of these 3 numbers is going to be 9, and etc. So the sum is going to be 1, 4, 9, 16, and S5 would be the sum of these first 5 odd numbers is 25. And so the challenge question would be to suggest a rule for it. What is the pattern of 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25? If you meditate long and hard, you'll see the pattern depends on n. And we conclude that Sn is equals to n squared. So for example, if n is 6, let's try that. S6 is equals to the first 6 odd numbers, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So let's add these up. So the sum of these numbers would be equals to 36. And as you can see, that when n is equals to 6, the rule is Sn is equals to n squared. So S6 would be 6 squared, which would be 36. And we could predict that immediately without having to list out all these numbers.